Welcome to Beer Gut Sports video for the June 25th PCSL 2-gun match held at Rio Salado Sportsmans Club. I only have the rifle portion of stages on video, so that's all you're gonna see.
Head. That's your finish. Hi.
Come on. What the hell? Come on. Okay.
Are you ready? Stand by.
You could come up here. Hey, is he filming? Come up here.
Hit. Hit.
Look, man.
Hit. Hit.
That's only 2 hits, right?
You still owe me 2. One in the middle and any other one. Hit. 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 If you're finished, that's our show play.
Today I learned that I definitely need to work on my rifle skills some more, but overall it was a very well put together and fun match. Be on the lookout for more 2-gun and USPSA videos soon. Thanks for watching.